What's up guys, hope you're doing well. England play Sweden today in the World Cup, so to show my support and be a true patriot of England, I'm going to build the England flag. Let's roll!
What do I believe? What makes me feel it to write you this song? 2 hours a day, 5 months and a year. Oh, I loved you too long. You keep blowing me out, I keep holding you in. I keep asking myself, oh, why do you still hurt? Why do you still hurt? Who's wrong and who's right? I cannot decide, 'cause I'm sober tonight. I cannot escape, I'm here till it breaks. Oh, how my heart aches. You keep blowing me out, I keep holding you in. I keep asking myself, oh, why do you still hurt? Why do you still hurt? Still rolling the dice, still hoping to find a future for me.
Alright guys, there we have it, we've got the build up now. Just a problem with a couple of big bricks. You know what I mean? It just spoils that line there. See, this is a bigger brick here, so you're never going to get a perfect straight line. But we'll rake it out and see what it looks like. It looks pretty good though, isn't it? Just see there, that brick's bigger. See, and it's just thrown the line out. But I already pre-painted them, so I wasn't going to change it.
I'm still in this fight. I pray for the night to go easy on me. You keep blowing.
Right, we shall touch it up with a bit more paint now to give it a finish, and then we'll see how it looks.
I keep asking myself, oh, why do you still hurt? Why do you still hurt? Why do you still
Right then guys, there you have it. What do you reckon? Good luck to England against Sweden, and I hope they win. Please. This is what you call stack bomb this. So you just simple, self-explanatory, you stack one on top of the other and you've got straight joints. But used on a feature, I think it looks pretty good. What do you reckon? Yeah, I like that. Just a little bit annoyed with that these missized bricks, you see, that just throw that line out. There's a couple up here and there's one there, but I already pre-painted them, so I wasn't going to start getting the paint out and do it again. I made enough bricks to do the panel. Alright guys, thanks very much for watching. Rate it out of 10 in the comments. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like rating. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you get notifications whenever I release a video like this, and you can be the first to see it. Right guys, thank you. Come on England, come on!